Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar dropped 0.9% against the yen in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.1% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. After a 1.4% dip during the last session, the oil-dollar pair closed 1.2% in the green. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Shares on Wall Street scaled record highs, lifting stock markets around the world, while US Treasury yields retreated as investors processed a second Donald Trump presidency and an interest rate cut from the Federal Reserve. The 2024 United States presidential election brought substantial shifts in crypto policy outlooks as Donald Trump prepares to return to the White House for a second term. Crypto advocates, including Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong, have expressed optimism that the changes may benefit the digital assets industry. The Federal Reserve cut interest rates by 0.25 percentage point, and its policymakers took note of a job market that has generally eased, while inflation continues to move towards the US Central Bank's 2% target.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's Coincident Index will be released at 5 GMT, the US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 15 GMT, the US USDA WASDE report at 17 GMT. The UK CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 2030 GMT, Japan's leading economic index at 5 GMT, the French current account at 7:45 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.